A little more.
The wheel's not straight, so I don't know where I'm.
A little more.
Alright.
Right there should be good. All right, come on, get it done.
Okay, so I did paint all the front mostly. It's got to get touched up a little bit. Back here, I didn't do anything, so we're gonna get everything cleaned up. I gotta drop the rear down. We're gonna get up inside of the wheel well here and tighten up the other bolts for the molding, and we're gonna get the drive shaft back out. We have the other yoke that's gonna go on the front because this one is the wrong size, and so that way we can change that out. I gotta get the diaper. I'll put that on while it's on the lift. That's in the garage. So we're just gonna clean it all off, get all the cobwebs and the dust and overspray and all that kind of stuff out. So, and then we'll go back over it, and when I hit the back, I'll touch up whatever little spots need a little more paint. So, okay. Gonna get all the old rubber off too. This rubber's probably 30 years old. It just flakes off. It's so dry.
All right, now they've really decided to get crazy. So they got the wheels off. They're taking the rear end out of it,
Well, that way,
so they can paint everything nice. So they're cleaning this thing up real good underneath.
I had to take the shocks out to get it down anyway to get the wheels off. So.
And then I started putting those on them. You can see them in there, the little clips, the rest of the little clips in there.
Okay.
All right, let's get it off.
Ready?
Yep. All right, so we figured out the dry shaft. So we had the dry shaft shortened, and the guy put this on there. I don't know what it fits, but it don't fit that.
Don't fit our.
So I had this C4 one, and we had to go get this. So the difference is, see how this is small and this is big?
Yep. Got that from Napa.
So now that goes like that, and the big one goes like that. Okay?
Onto the end here.
Onto the end.
So.
All right, so I'm swapping this out, and then that's it.
Okay.
And you're gonna go paint that.
I'm gonna go paint.
Got one window glued on.
Yeah. Got the bottom on that one glued. I gotta glue the other one. Okay. We're already in here for some paint. Got everything out, cleaned up. I put a little patch in the bottom there. Got the exhaust bagged up. I'm gonna paint inside of here 2 black, so we're ready to go. Turn the fans on and open the door up. gonna be nice. Up.
There's the other one.
Got you. Chassis black.
Alright, that's all good to go. That one's for sale. Here, go show me your masterpiece in there.
Found the clips?
Yeah.
I just unplugged it. Johnny, grab the light. I just unplugged it. Unplug the light in real quick. Give me 1 second. Nice and black now. All shiny. Put it up in there. Okay. Looks good. Now I can put it all back together. And we got the drive shaft now is all set. We're gonna, while it's up here, we're gonna also put the front bumper on so we could drill the holes. So we'll get the front bumper on while we're on the lift. We're waiting for a fuel line because I'm gonna run all the fuel lines underneath. Oh, I just took the light off. I'm gonna run the fuel lines from the 2 holes that are up there. I got a piece of tape on so the paint didn't go in there. We're gonna run them along the frame a little bit and then down under on the floor. And like I said, I gotta put the diaper on it. We got a special one for, because the control, the steering goes through the oil pan and everything, so we had to make a special one for the diaper. And I think that's it on the lift anyway. And we'll let it all down, put it back in the other garage. Hopefully the other moldings will come for the windows and we can put all the windows in. Finish putting it together.
Alright, so that's all done. They got the rear all detailed out, clean. Taking the front wheels off. We're going to detail the wheels, clean them up. Everything's all nasty, dirty. Clean up that area in there. Then we're going to put the hood, the front fenders on, and put the valance on the front so we can make those holes. He's detailing this.
It's got the hose.
Hose just showed up with fittings. Check that place out if you need fittings and hoses. Alright. 2 days in our hand. Alright, so a lot of stuff happening right now. I'm going to make this hose up. I'm going to put one end on it, and then we're going to feed it through. The other one has one on it. We got all the rest of the fittings we need to finish up the fuel system. And we can start on the wiring. Alright, so we're gonna cut a hole in the rocker on the inside, and we're gonna run the fuel line down the rocker because this car's really flat underneath. We don't want the hanging or nothing like that, because we would have had to run it like this and then attach it to the floor. So we're gonna run it down the rocker. I did this on the Comet the first time when the tank was mounted in the back. So we're gonna run it down the rocker, pop a hole in the front of the rocker, and then out along the frame rail.
And then it'll look nice and clean
I
too.
don't even see that. My hands are freezing. Oh yes. Now we can make a hole in here.
Right.
And make them come right out. Actually, you know what we could do? We can even cut this back, right, like that, and then make a piece in there.
Yeah, we'll see.
All right, so now this got to go like that into there. So we got to make this a little bigger, and then drill into that. So now,
Get that Dremel, the like the thing.
go ahead. There you
There
go.
we go.
Good.
Oh, front trip.
You might have to flip it.
Huh?
You might have to twist it because it's kind of twisted up.
Want me to do that part?
Okay.
There you go.
Kink it.
Huh?
No, I know.
Kink it.
No, you gotta twist that like,
Which way?
yeah, that way.
Well, twist it any which way you want.
Yep. Keep going. Oh, that might be good, yeah.
Which way are you trying to twist it?
Alright, here.
Like
Alright, we're doing the pinion angle.
4.2. 4.2. And then this is 3.9. So 3.9.
And 4.2, so you got a difference of 0.3.
4.2 going down. And then this was right there.
Where's the things at? Here.
Don't matter.
Yeah, whatever.
4.2 and 4.5.
So you got the 0.3. We want like 0.1.
No, well,
Or no, I'm sorry. We want 1 degree
1 degree. So
total. So
this.
we need more.
Hold on a minute. Yeah. Here. Here. I'm gonna knock that down. What would you say you measured that one?
Okay. Yeah, we gotta move them now. so I'm gonna set the pinion angle on it. So you gotta take your difference from your drive shaft angle that's going down and your pinion angle, which is either gonna be going up or also, you know, pointing down if your drive shaft's pointing up a little bit, but you want the...
I'm wondering why I can't see nothing.
You ain't got your glasses on. We want the
You want
rear pointing
one-
basically down more than, you know, you don't want it pointing up, like these two pointing in a triangle facing up.
Yeah,
We want them pointing down, if anything. So, as you bring this out and it gets longer, the front will dip down.
This one's too much, Johnny. Not. So, this one, right? Right there.
And you want to take your difference of 1 degree.
All right, give me the right for you. We're gonna go that one more because that'll drop that. All right, got the rear back in. Shocks all back together. Brake lines are all bled. Tires back on it. Polished up the wheels. They look great. So now what we did, we put the fenders on. We put the hood on. And we put the front valance on. So that's how those fit. So now we got to go in here and I got to make some holes. I got to clamp together. So I got to go in here and make some holes to hold this to here. And then there's 2 tabs here and here, like that. Yeah, it looks sweet. So just picked up a whole bunch of stainless steel nuts and bolts. We're gonna put them all on there. Once all that's done, there's a hole right here that we have made, right? And then this will be opened up and we'll put a pull tab here, license plate. And then the grill goes here, and then I have the 2 pieces of chrome. They're from a Comet, but they're gonna go on here just to break this thing up in the front. So the little trim that goes here, it's a 3-piece deal, a little center piece and 2 side pieces. So those will go on, and then we'll take it all apart, put the doors on, and then we'll be able to put this on and leave this on. Wanted to see how it looked. Man, it looks good. All right, let me make these holes and get this thing on here. All right, that's what it looks like on the ground. Got that trim on there that breaks it up real nice. Oh, it looks good. It looks real good. All right. Bumper's looking good in the front, man. Nice and low, it looks good. Doing its job. So next thing is we're gonna take it all back off. Put the doors on. Put the fenders on. Line everything up. Start working on the trim on the doors.